What if $300 was enough to start a business that could pay you back for years? Just $300. That's about what many people spend on a typical weekend without thinking twice about it. But that same amount can be enough to start a small business that keeps bringing in money month after month. Here's why these machines matter. Millions of products are sold every day on Amazon, Etsy, local markets, and small retail stores. The opportunity is real if you focus on products people already buy and use, and make sure you stay until the very end. Some of the machines on this list can help create products that sell for dozens of times more than their production cost. One of them is so simple that most people completely overlook it. Yet it's quietly generating thousands of dollars for people in a market with very little competition. And the machine at number 1 is probably the most overlooked opportunity on this entire list. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's start with number 10.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 10. Doypack Liquid Filling Machine. Many people think the beverage business requires expensive equipment and a large production space. In reality, this machine makes it possible to start much smaller. This compact machine fills stand-up pouches with different liquid products such as fresh juice, smoothies, flavored drinks, soups, and sauces. The finished pouches look professional and are ready to sell. There are several ways to turn this machine into a business. You can sell fresh drinks at farmers markets, work with local gyms and health food stores, or offer weekly juice subscriptions to customers in your area. Since customers pay ahead of time for subscriptions, it can create a steady flow of income. The numbers are what make this opportunity attractive. Each pouch typically costs around 50 cents to $1 to produce, depending on the ingredients used. Many fresh juice pouches sell for $4 to $8 each. An entry-level, manual or semi-automatic tabletop liquid filler costs under $300 and fits easily on a countertop. Once production becomes routine, a small operation can produce hundreds of pouches every day. But beverages are not the only products that can generate impressive profits. The next machine takes a much simpler product and turns it into an even bigger markup opportunity. Number 9. Ice Shaver Making Machine. Few businesses are as simple as selling shaved ice. The ingredients cost very little, but customers are happy to pay much more because they enjoy the experience. This machine turns ordinary ice blocks into a soft, fluffy texture that holds syrups and flavors extremely well. The machine is compact, easy to move, and simple to operate. That makes it a great option for people who want to sell at sporting events, community gatherings, festivals, school events, and local parties. Since the machine is portable, you can take it directly to where the crowds are. The profit margins can be surprisingly high. A serving of shaved ice usually costs only 15 to 20 cents to make, including the cup, ice, and flavored syrup. Depending on the location and toppings offered, customers often pay between $3 and $6 per cup. That creates a markup of more than 1,000% on many sales. A heavy-duty, commercial-grade electric ice shaver costs well under $300, allowing many operators to recover their investment almost immediately. During busy summer weekends, a single event can generate more income than several days of regular work. Number 8. Plastic Strapping Machine. This might be the most boring machine on the entire list, and that's exactly why most people ignore the opportunity. This machine places strong plastic straps around boxes and packages, helping keep shipments secure during storage and transportation. Instead of selling to consumers, this business focuses on other businesses. Small manufacturers, online sellers, warehouses, and local distributors regularly need products bundled and secured before shipping. Many of them prefer outsourcing the work rather than purchasing equipment and training employees. With this model, you provide packaging services and charge either by the package or by the hour. The actual strapping material costs only a few cents per package. While businesses are often willing to pay for packaging support when it saves them labor, equipment costs, and shipping delays, those numbers can add up quickly when working with multiple clients. While fully automatic lines are expensive, a reliable handheld electric strapping machine or manual tensioning kit costs under $300, making it an affordable way to enter the business-to-business market. Even a single long-term customer can provide enough work to cover the machine cost and create reliable monthly income. Number 7. Custom Waffle Maker Machine. Regular waffles are easy to find almost anywhere. That is exactly why this machine can grab attention. Instead of making ordinary waffles, this machine creates waffles in unique shapes such as animals, characters, logos, and custom designs. The result is a product that stands out and encourages customers to take photos and share them online. This business works especially well at events. Birthday parties, weddings, festivals, and corporate gatherings are always looking for something different that guests will remember. Freshly made custom waffles can become a fun attraction while also generating strong profits. Food trucks can use them as a signature menu item. Cafes can create branded waffles that customers associate with their business. Catering companies can even offer live waffle stations as a premium service. The costs are surprisingly low. Each waffle typically costs around 50 cents to make, including batter and toppings. Many specialty waffles sell for $4 to $8 each. The machine costs under $300, and custom molds can be ordered for almost any design you want to offer. Creative food products can attract attention, but the next machine taps into a market that people buy from again and again. And it all starts with one of the world's most popular comfort foods. Number 6. Noodle making machine. Fresh noodles have become increasingly popular. Restaurants can often charge premium prices for fresh noodles because customers associate them with higher quality meals. People appreciate products that feel homemade and allow them to know exactly what ingredients are being used. This noodle maker makes the production process simple and efficient. The machine works by combining flour and water, then automatically producing fresh noodles based on the thickness and width settings you choose. With very little effort, you can create noodles that are ready for cooking or packaging. There are several ways to earn money with this machine. Farmers markets are a great place to sell fresh handmade style noodles. Local restaurants often need a reliable source of fresh pasta and noodles. You can also create specialty products such as gluten-free, vegetable-based, or protein-enriched noodles for niche markets. Production costs usually range between 50 cents and $1 per pound. Fresh noodles commonly sell for $4 to $8 per pound at retail. A compact, heavy-duty electric countertop noodle maker costs under $300 and can produce enough hourly volume to easily serve your first local customers. Quick question: which machine would you actually spend your own money on right now? Type the number in the comments. I'm curious to see which business gets the most votes. Number 5. Honey cream machine. Most people are familiar with liquid honey, but far fewer have tried creamed honey. This specialty product has a smooth, spreadable texture and often sells for much more than regular honey. A honey cream machine simplifies the process by controlling the crystallization that creates this premium texture. The process starts with ordinary liquid honey. After adding a small amount of seed crystals, the machine does the work needed to transform it into a smooth, finished product ready for packaging and sale. One of the biggest advantages is that you do not need to own beehives or produce honey yourself. Many operators simply purchase bulk honey from local beekeepers or wholesale suppliers. They then convert it into a higher value product that can sell for significantly more. Specialty food stores, gift shops, and farmers markets are often interested in creamed honey because it is different from what customers normally see. The product stores well, ships easily, and requires no refrigeration. The machine costs under $300, and the finished product can sell for 2 to 3 times the value of the original liquid honey. Number 4. Monochrome printer machine. A lot of people overlook this opportunity because printers are everywhere, but a monochrome printer machine can still become the foundation of a profitable service business. Unlike standard home printers, a commercial monochrome laser printer is built to handle large volumes of printing quickly and at a very low cost per page. The customers are usually other businesses, real estate offices, insurance agents, freelancers, training companies, and local organizations regularly need printed contracts, reports, manuals, flyers, and forms. Many prefer outsourcing these jobs instead of managing their own high-volume printing equipment. This creates an opportunity to offer fast and reliable printing services. Adding pickup and delivery can make your service even more valuable and help justify higher pricing. Some businesses may even sign ongoing monthly agreements, creating predictable recurring income. The operating costs are very low. Printing a page often costs less than 2 cents. Meanwhile, service providers commonly charge between 10 cents and 50 cents per page, depending on Volume and turnaround time. The machine costs under $300 and can print thousands of pages before needing replacement supplies. Number 3. Wall inkjet printer machine. This is one of the most unusual machines on the list because many people have never heard of it. This wall inkjet printer machine allows you to print images, text, logos, and graphics directly onto surfaces such as walls, concrete, wood, glass, metal, and even certain fabrics. What makes this business interesting is the lack of competition in many areas. Most business owners are not even aware that this type of service exists. When they see what is possible, many immediately recognize potential uses for their own companies. Event organizers can hire you to print custom graphics for parties and corporate events. Retail stores may want temporary promotional designs on walls and windows. Construction companies often need safety messages, lot numbers, and directional markings printed directly onto surfaces. The costs are surprisingly low because most jobs require only a small amount of ink. Many projects can bring in anywhere from $50 to several $100s per job, while material costs remain minimal. Professional wall printing equipment is significantly more expensive than most machines on this list. However, some entrepreneurs start by offering mural and graphic installation services first, then reinvest profits into larger equipment as demand grows. Number 2. Dual head filling machine. Speed is one of the biggest advantages in any production business, and this dual head filling machine helps increase output without adding extra labor. By filling 2 containers at the same time, it can significantly improve productivity compared to single head systems. The machine works with a wide range of products, including spices, coffee, tea, snack foods, seeds, powders, and many other dry goods. Because the settings are adjustable, it can handle different container sizes and product types with ease. There are several ways to build a business around this machine. You can create your own packaged product line and sell directly to customers. Another option is offering contract packaging services to other small businesses. Many local producers need products filled and packaged, but do not want to invest in equipment for their current production volume. That creates an opportunity to become their packaging partner. They provide the product, you handle the filling process. The machine costs under $300, and just a few steady packaging contracts can generate reliable income while keeping operating costs low. The number 1 machine works in a market that never seems to slow down. It's connected to a product people need regardless of what's happening in the economy. Number 1. Paper packing machine. Some products continue selling regardless of economic conditions, and toilet paper is one of them. People need it whether the economy is growing, slowing down, or facing challenges. That constant demand is what makes this machine an interesting business tool. This machine does not manufacture toilet paper. Instead, it wraps and seals bulk toilet paper rolls into professional retail-ready packages. The business model is based on purchasing unpackaged rolls at lower wholesale prices, then adding packaging, branding, and convenience before selling them to retailers. Small grocery stores, convenience stores, discount shops, and local markets often need dependable suppliers that can provide flexible order quantities. Large manufacturers may not be interested in serving smaller orders, which creates room for local operators. The machine automatically handles the packaging process, allowing you to offer different bundle sizes such as single rolls, 4-packs, 6-packs, or larger packages. Entry-level packaging and sealing equipment can often be purchased for around $300, allowing small operators to create retail-ready bundles without major upfront costs. And there you have it, 10 machines that can open the door to real business opportunities without requiring a huge investment. What makes these ideas interesting is that most people never pay attention to them. They focus on crowded business models while overlooking simple opportunities that can be started with equipment costing under $300. Of course, no machine guarantees success. The people who earn the most are the ones who find customers, provide value, and stay consistent over time. But with the right approach, even a small investment can become the foundation of a profitable business. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which machine caught your attention the most, and which one would you actually try? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more business ideas, machine opportunities, and low investment side hustles, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.